Your doors are more than just entryways. They're a vital part of your home's functionality, security, and aesthetic appeal. Whether you're upgrading your front door or replacing patio doors, professional door installation ensures the job is done right, providing long-lasting benefits for your Clearwater home. While DIY projects can be tempting, the expertise of a professional installer makes a significant difference in the quality and performance of your doors. Here are the top reasons why Clearwater homeowners should choose professional door installation. Ensures a perfect fit. One of the most critical aspects of door installation is ensuring a precise fit. A door that doesn't fit properly can lead to drafts, air leaks, and operational issues. How professionals guarantee a perfect fit? Accurate measurements. Professional installers measure your door frame with precision, accounting for irregularities in size or shape. Custom solutions. If your doorway has unique dimensions or structural quirks, professionals can customize the door to fit seamlessly. Eliminates gaps. A snug fit prevents air leaks and enhances energy efficiency, keeping your home comfortable year-round. A perfect fit ensures your door not only looks great but also performs optimally. Maximizes energy efficiency. In Clearwater's warm, humid climate, energy efficiency is a top priority. Poorly installed doors can allow heat to enter and cool air to escape, increasing energy costs. Energy-saving benefits of professional installation. Proper sealing. Installers use high-quality weather stripping and caulking to eliminate drafts and improve insulation. Aligned frames. A correctly aligned door ensures a tight seal, reducing the strain on your HVAC system. Enhanced materials. Professionals can recommend energy-efficient options, like insulated cores and low-E glass panels, for added performance. By maximizing energy efficiency, professionally installed doors help lower your utility bills and reduce your environmental footprint. Enhances security. Your doors are a crucial component of your home's security. Improper installation can leave your home vulnerable to intruders, while professional installation ensures your doors are strong, secure, and tamper-resistant. How professionals enhance door security. Reinforced frames. Professionals anchor door frames securely to the structure, reducing the risk of forced entry. Advanced locks. Installers ensure locks are correctly aligned and functional, including deadbolts and multi-point locking systems. Impact resistance. For Clearwater's storm-prone environment, professionals can install hurricane-rated or impact-resistant doors for added protection. A secure, professionally installed door gives you peace of mind knowing your home is well protected. Prevents costly mistakes. DIY door installation may seem like a cost-saving option, but even small errors can lead to significant issues, such as air leaks, water damage, or misaligned doors. Professional installation ensures the job is done right the first time. Benefits of avoiding DIY mistakes. Avoids damage. Professionals handle delicate materials, like glass panels or heavy doors, with care to prevent damage during installation. Proper tools and techniques. Installers use specialized tools and methods to ensure precision and durability. Long-term savings. Correct installation prevents the need for costly repairs or premature replacements. Hiring a professional installer protects your investment and ensures your doors perform as intended. Provides expert guidance. Choosing the right door for your Clearwater home can be overwhelming with so many options available. Professional installers bring valuable expertise to help you make the best choice. Expert advice includes material selection. Professionals can recommend materials like fiberglass, steel, or wood based on your home's style, climate, and needs. Design guidance. From modern designs to traditional styles, installers help you choose a door that enhances your home's curb appeal. Energy efficiency recommendations. Installers guide you toward energy-efficient features that save money and improve comfort. With professional guidance, you can select a door that meets your needs and complements your home's architecture. Boosts curb appeal. A properly installed door not only functions well but also enhances the beauty of your home. Professional installers ensure your new door looks flawless, boosting your home's curb appeal. How professionals improve aesthetics. Perfect alignment. A correctly aligned door creates a polished and professional appearance. Flawless finishes. Installers ensure paint, hardware, and decorative elements are pristine and well coordinated. Custom fit. Tailored installations accommodate unique designs, like transoms or sidelights, for a standout entryway. An attractive, professionally installed door makes a lasting impression on guests and potential buyers. Increases property value. Investing in professional door installation can enhance your home's value, making it more appealing to future buyers. Energy efficient, secure, and stylish doors are highly desirable features. Value-adding factors. Energy savings. Buyers appreciate homes with lower energy costs and modern features. Security enhancements. A professionally installed, secure door is a major selling point. Modern design. Upgraded doors with clean lines and contemporary finishes add to your home's market appeal. Professional installation ensures your door contributes to your property's value and desirability. Conclusion. Choosing professional door installation for your Clearwater home ensures a seamless, secure, and energy-efficient result. From guaranteeing a perfect fit to boosting your home's security and curb appeal, professional installers bring expertise and precision that DIY efforts simply can't match. If you're ready to enhance your home with a professionally installed door, contact a trusted door installation expert in Clearwater today. With their guidance, you'll enjoy the benefits of a beautiful, functional, and secure entryway for years to come.